Hey y'all, want you to try this. Make sure y'all can see it all. See my feet? Okay. Balance. Okay, we are doing 3.1 measures of central tendency, number 11. Determine the population mean of pulse. So we click right here, and then we hit open in StatCrunch. And by the way, if you're in a Chromebook and you hover over this little thing right here, if you click float, it's going to have float right here on the Chromebook. If you click float, then this StatCrunch box always stays on top, and you just move it around. So we have the student and then the pulse. So we go to stats, over here, StatCrunch. We go to stats, summary stats, column. Click this because it has to be over here in order to find it. And then we need the mean, I guess that's all we need. Mean, compute. The mean is 76.2 beats per minute. Good job. Okay, now in these samples, we go over here and make another column. So we already used this. It's the first one. We over here make a new column, and then we put sample 1 in var 3. It doesn't matter what column you use. I might have var 2. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Just as long as you understand that the sample 1 is in var 3. You can even name this sample 1. Sample 2. You just click on the top and name it. Oh shoot, y'all didn't see that. If you click up here, whoops, click right here, you can type in sample 1, sample 2. That way when you go to show it, you know exactly what you're talking about. So then we come and we get sample 1 is Jeff, Crystal, and Kathy. So we find Jeff, Crystal, and Kathy. So Jeff is 75 down. Crystal is 80. And who was the other one? Shoot. Jeff, Crystal, and Kathy. And Kathy is 81. So that's sample 1. Sample 2 is Megan, Tammy, and Perpetual. Nice. Megan, 78. Tammy, and Perpetual. That's so funny. Tammy, 65, and Perpetual, 82. So then we have the groups in StatCrunch. So they want to know the mean. So we want to do it all at one time. So we don't have to keep doing it. Stat, summary stats, columns. Then I'm highlighting sample 1 and sample 2. You hit the control button to keep those. Hold on. Oh, thank you for blessing me. We want the mean. I think that's all we want. I mean, yes. So we want the mean for both of those compute. So the sample 1 mean is 78.7, rounded to 1 decimal point. And the sample for the mean for sample 2 is 75. Excellent. Now, this is the mean pulse rate of sample 1 underestimates. We have to check it. Mean pulse, sample 1. So sample 1 is 78 and the mean is 76. So it overestimates the mean pulse. No, the mean pulse, hold on. I just looked at this since like last year. The mean is 76 and the sample, so this underestimates. No, the sample overestimates. Heck, we might even get this wrong. I'll have to see. Oh, overestimates. So the reason I did that is because, over here, overestimates because the pulse rate of sample 1 is 78.7, according to the population mean, which was 76.2, this one. So this overestimates. Sample 2 is 75, so it underestimates. Sample 2 is less than the mean. Fantastic. Hope that helped. Make sure to like, share, and follow. Repost so that other people can learn stats, even if they're, just taking art or whatever. Help us spread it around.